Step 5 is the step where we're going to test our pipeline to make sure that everything's working. So what we're going to do is to upload an artifact to the S3 bucket that we created for the pipeline and check that that's going to trigger the pipeline. What the instruction says here is to take the stacker folder and the templates folder and zip them up and upload to S3. Let's do that. ls, so we have stacker and templates. Let's just zip them up. Here we need to specify the name of the file. And if you remember well, let me go back here. Where do I have the name of yes, right here. So in the configuration for the source, for the pipeline, I'm saying that the name of the artifact that the pipeline should fetch from S3, it should be deployment.zip. So if I call this file here something else, that's not going to trigger the pipeline because the pipeline is only expecting a deployment.zip. So here's going to be stacker and the templates folder. So both folders are inside this zip file, deployment.zip. And the next step that we need to do is just to upload this to S3. So we're going to do AWS S3 Copy Deployment. Oh my goodness. Deployment.zip S3, and then the name that I have no idea. Let's go to S3 and check it out. So this one is the name. Let me copy. As you can see, there's nothing here. The bucket is completely empty. It's pasted. And I think that should be enough. Let's see. All right, so it uploaded my deployment.zip file to S3. If I reload this, we should see our file. And if everything is correct, if we go back to the pipeline and update this, sometimes it takes a while, so let's just wait a few seconds. There we go. As you can see, the source was successful, which means that the pipeline was able to grab that file from S3, and now it's running the CFN lint and CFN nag actions. Yeah, so here we can see that they're both in progress at the same time, and if I click on details, I can see exactly what's happening. I'm doing the same thing here. So the container is still coming up. And now you see that the container already ran. It was actually pretty fast, and here as well. And so the most important thing that we're looking for is right here in blue, we have entering phase install, running command echo hello world. And here you can see the output of our command that is in our build spec. And this is true for both of them. So both of them, they ran the command echo hello world and everything worked. So that went well. And I think that's the only thing that we need to do in step 5. Let's make sure. Yep, so look for your pipeline. You should see it being triggered. Doesn't work, etc. Okay, so it was triggered and we saw the message hello world there. So step 5 is complete. That was an easy one. All right, step 6 now.